Today, I'm in a brand new Toll Brothers neighborhood, Vista Ridge, and we're going to be touring this beautiful model house, and it's part of their all ranch community here in Woodstock, Georgia. This particular neighborhood is going to have a lot of really nice amenities like a pool, a clubhouse, pickleball courts, and even a playground. Now, we are about 4 miles away from downtown Woodstock. Downtown Woodstock is a really cute, revitalized, historic area with lots of fun restaurants, a brewery, and cute boutiques. So being so close to downtown Woodstock is actually very convenient. Now, Toll Brothers always does an amazing job with their model houses. So if you're interested in new construction in Georgia, you're definitely not going to want to miss this video. So let's go check it out. Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano, and we're about to tour Vista Ridge's newest all-ranch model home community. Now, this is a new community, so there are plenty of opportunities here with several lots available to choose from, as well as several floor plans to choose from. I have a lot of new construction experience and an incredible relationship with Toll Brothers, which I leverage for my clients to get you the best possible deal. So if you are moving to Georgia and have any interest in building a new home here, whether it's with this builder or another builder, I want to be your realtor. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. But for now, let's go check out this beautiful model home. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. So that was Toll Brothers' newest model home in Vista Ridge, their all ranch community, and it was beautiful. Since this is a brand new community, there are plenty of opportunities when it comes to lot selection and floor plan selection. So I have a lot of new construction experience and an incredible working relationship with Toll Brothers, which I leverage for my clients to get you the best possible deal. So if you have any interest in building a new home, whether it be with this builder or another builder, I want to be your realtor. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. Also, I'm going to be doing a lot of new neighborhood tours on my channel. So if you're interested in buying a house here in Georgia, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about all the current opportunities to hit the market. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.